I'm James. I'm a blacksmithing instructor here at Forest Floor. So we're teaching kids the best, most productive, and safest way to play with fire, right? And kids who are geared toward that are super excited about coming into this space where they can get a piece of steel red hot and then hit it with a hammer until it's something beautiful. You know, some of the best highlights for me are these moments when they start to really come into their own with the hammer and the metal. There's this transition point where, as they become more comfortable, they start to really create and gain this agency where they can suddenly make the things they want to out of this piece of steel.
I really love watching the artists kind of blossom in a lot of these kids in this new medium that, you know, not a lot of people get to try, and it's a privilege that we live in this region and have the teachers and the skill sharing that we do to get to share it with young people.